Hey, what's happening? Welcome back to my channel. This is Dan Rock, and in today's video I want to talk to you about how to get started on motorcycle. In front of us right here I have my beautiful 23 Honda Rebel 500, which I acquired about a year ago. And this video is made for complete beginners, people who never sat on motorcycle, have zero experience, because I was just like you about a year ago. I had no clue, nothing about the motorcycles. When I got started, I had to ask my friend to bring the bike from a dealership home, and I had to learn everything from scratch. I was watching YouTube videos, even though it was hard to find good ones. A lot of them don't go into a detail about everything, and just because I know what I had troubles with, I want to help other people out there learn how to ride a motorcycle. So we're gonna go over the controls and everything you need to know. This is part one of the video series. I'm gonna be making more videos if this one becomes successful. If you like this video, smash that like, subscribe to this channel. That way you will be notified when a new video comes out from me, and also you'll help other people out there find this video. Okay, so let's get started. All right, let's approach this 500 Rebel and take a closer look at the control panel. So when you sit in a rider's seat, this is what you see in front of you. You've got this display right here, which gives you all the essential information like your speed, your which gear you're in, and also the fuel gauge. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a tachometer, but I don't mind because I don't need to see my RPMs. I just listen to the engine and know when to shift into the next gear. On the right side of the motorcycle, you have this throttle right here. So this is how you give gas and you go fast. Just kidding, you gotta be very responsible with this. Okay, so this is you twist to you and you give gas. Okay, this lever right here, this is your front brake. It does 70% of braking on a motorcycle, but you gotta use this with your rear brake, which I'm gonna show you next. Okay, this switch right here, this is your kill switch. So when it's in that up position, you won't be able to start your motorcycle. And when you put it into this down position right here, it'll prime the fuel pump and you'll be able to start the engine. This button right here, that's your emergency light. You click it once and the lights start flashing. This down here is your switch to start the motorcycle. Okay, so you just press and hold for about 2-3 seconds, and this is how you start your bike. If we look down here on the right side of the bike, you've got the foot pack where you rest your foot, and this is your rear brake, which engages your rear brakes and does 30% of the stopping on motorcycle. But you gotta use this with your front brake right here. This is your clutch, which is very important. We're gonna go in the next video about how to use this clutch, the friction zone and all that, but you're gonna be using this clutch right here with your throttle on the right side. This switch is for high beam lights and low beam lights. Okay, this is your horn right here, and this is your signal indicator. So if you want to go right, you switch to the right, and then when you're done, you just have to hit in the middle. And if I need to go left, I just switch it to the left, and then when I need to cancel, I just press in the middle. Okay, and down here, when we take a look, this is your peg on the left side where you rest your left foot. This is your gear shifter. So on this bike, there's 6 gears, okay, 6 speeds. Want to go in the first gear, it's going to be all the way down. Neutral gonna be in the middle between the first and the second gear, and then up for the third, up fourth, up fifth, and the sixth gear. We just went over the controls of the bike, and next I'm gonna show you how to mount the bike. Okay, so you're gonna approach the bike from the left side just because of the leaning angle, and it's just easier to get onto the bike from this side. You're gonna grab with your left hand, left handle, okay, and then you're gonna put your right leg up, and you're gonna put the leg over the motorcycle and get in the seat. Okay, then you're gonna kind of lift it up a little bit, okay, while you're in the seat, and flip that kickstand up and just get a feel of the motorcycle. Just feel how heavy it is. Okay, this bike is about 407 pounds. It's already in neutral, but I can show you how to put the motorcycle in neutral. You don't have to have the bike running to be able to do this. Move the bike back and forth just like this while it's in neutral. Neutral just means it's not in any gear. Just feel this bike under you. To get into the neutral on the motorcycle, this is what you're gonna do. Okay, so you've got the ignition right here on the left side of the motorcycle on Honda Rebel. Take the key, you're gonna put it into the ignition, okay, just like in your car, and then you're gonna turn the key into on position. When it's in on position, your display will come on, and then remember the kill switch right here on your right side. Flip this kill switch into down position. You heard that? That was the fuel pump engaging. That sound. Hold your brake and you're gonna clutch. Okay, you're gonna engage this clutch all the way in, okay, and make sure your kickstand is if it's in down position like that, you won't be able to start your motorcycle. Okay, it's got to be up. Okay, so make sure that kickstand is up, clutch all the way in on the left side, and you hold in your front brake. If you have your gear indicator in first gear, put it into the neutral. Just half click between your first and second gear. So just do a half click very gently, just like that. You see, and it's in neutral now. And if we hit down once, it's in first gear. Let's put it back in neutral. Okay, it's in neutral. And then what you're gonna do while you're holding the clutch and your brake, you're gonna press this for a few seconds. And this is how you start Honda Rebel. And if you know for sure you're in neutral, you can go ahead and release your clutch and your brake. Before riding the motorcycle, you always gotta warm up. Just at least a minute, 2 minutes, just let that oil run through the engine and just lubricate all the parts. This is where you can practice. You can just push the bike, just walk the bike, okay? You can turn the handlebars. You don't have to engage the gas. Don't do anything. Don't worry about the clutch, anything right now. As long as you're in neutral, you don't have to clutch it, okay? And just walk the bike. You can turn the handlebar to the side just like this. All right, you can push the bike back. And if you need to, if you're on the hill, you can engage this front brake, okay? If you need to stop. And just keep walking the bike. Just walk that bike. So just try to pick a level ground where you can practice this, okay? And if you need to shut it down, all you have to do, what I do personally, I just shut it off with this key right here. So we're gonna turn the key into off position. That's all. And that's how you shut off the motorcycle. I like to keep my bike in first gear anytime I walk away from the bike, okay? So turn the bike. You don't have to start the bike, but you can turn the ignition key to on, okay? You can turn this off, the kill switch, okay? So you don't hear that fuel pump priming, because we're not gonna be riding the bike. And what you can do is just clutch it all the way in, engage that clutch, and ship down, okay? If you can't do it, just rock your bike from side to side. Just kind of rock it back and forth, okay? So once it's in first gear, the bike won't move. It'll move a little bit this way, a little bit this way, and then it will stop, okay? Because you got it in first gear. And then you can go ahead and turn off the bike, put the kickstand down, lean the bike, okay, and then just stand up, let it go. Don't be afraid, it's not gonna fall as long as you have that kickstand. And then you're gonna just put your right leg over the bike, and that's how you dismount the bike. Thank you so much for watching this video. Smash that like, it helps me a lot. Subscribe to the channel. If you still have any questions, let me know in the comment section below what questions you have. I'll be happy to answer them. If there anything that was unclear in this video, let me know. Also, let me know what you have learned as a beginner rider, okay? And if you are ready for part 2. So thank you for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video.